Hi, I'm Eddie with the YouTube Barber Academy, where we've grown over 123,000 subscribers. Some of my favorite tools to use come from Gamma, and I've had the pleasure of working with them since they were in the prototype stage. Today, I'm going to make this little video to help you guys learn the difference between these four machines. So let's start with the trimmers. I have the X-Evo trimmer and I have the Absolute Hitter trimmer. Now, the X-Evo trimmer has a magnetic motor, a 2-hour runtime. It can be plugged in and charged via micro USB or sat on a stand or plugged in directly. Now this is the trimmer, this is my go-to trimmer for putting down those laser lines. However, when it comes to the bulk removing process, I want to pick up the Absolute Hitter. Now the Absolute Hitter has a 4-hour runtime and a rotary motor that just can go right through that bulk and remove it without any snags or any pulling. Also, it can be charged via micro USB, plugged in directly, or sat on a stand. So let's talk about the clippers. Now when it comes to the clippers, same thing. One has a magnetic motor and it also comes with a taper blade. It can be plugged in directly or sat on a stand. This has a 2-hour runtime and it feels very ergonomic in the hand. Now one of the main advantages to working with a taper blade, as you notice, this blade bends a little bit towards the top. So if I accidentally go up a little higher than I should when I'm doing a blend, it's very forgiving and it doesn't cut off all the hair. Now what that means is I can pull off some really good blending with this. It doesn't completely eviscerate the hair, which means that when you're getting to that point in the haircut where you're just trying to detail it, you're trying to get that blend to look really nice and sharp, this is the tool that you want to pick up because it's very forgiving. The X-Ergo also comes with double magnetic guards, and these are my favorite guards to use. But if you've put in a skin line with one of these trimmers, that's going to be all the way down to 5 zeros, and this taper blade is not going to be able to cut close enough to remove that line, which is why we have the Absolute Alpha. Now the Absolute Alpha, it comes equipped with the Vapor blade. The Vapor blade is sort of a mixture between a fade blade and a taper blade, and it makes removing those skin lines easy as could be. A lot of people are putting this blade on all kinds of other machines because it's just such a great blade and it does such a good job. It too can also be very forgiving. But the reason why I pick up this tool is because I want to remove those harsh skin lines, and it can do that easily. It has a 4-hour runtime, micro USB charging, it can be plugged in directly or sat on a stand. And it comes with a set of single magnetic guards as well. Now I hope this video helps you guys understand the difference between these four machines, and if you guys want to purchase these machines, you can get them from both Cosmoprof and Armstrong McCall stores. If you have any other questions about these machines, feel free to reach out to me. This is Eddie with the YouTube Barber Academy. Thanks for watching.